Hey everybody, I'm so excited today to show you Lola's Lashes. Now I am a much more of a natural lash wearer, so I just jumped at the chance of trying their natural lash styles. But don't be fooled, no. Lola's do all kinds of lashes, so if you like a dramatic lash, they have definitely got a lash for you. Now, a little tip is if you want your lashes to have the most longevity ever, try not to use your mascara to push your natural lashes into the false lash. Instead, just use a spoolie. So this is an angled brush and a spoolie, also from Lola's Lashes. You can use that just to push it in rather than putting your own mascara in, because it will make your lashes last much longer if you try to keep them clear of product. They do also do a lash applicator tool as well, so if you struggle to do it just with your fingers, you can use a lash applicator tool as well. So I'm going to show you what's inside the Rose Quartz lash kit because it's beautiful and super exciting. So inside the lash kit you get your instruction booklet here, which tells you exactly how to apply your lashes. It's very easy, it's very fuss free. And then inside, I've got my Rose Quartz lashes. I've got my all-important magnetic eyeliner. And then I've also got my remover as well. Now, the remover is not to be used on the actual lash itself. The remover is to be used once you've took the lashes off to remove that magnetic liner. So we're gonna go in and just apply. I'm gonna just take off my excess product. So you want to make sure that you're getting plenty on, especially on the inner and outer corners. Now I usually prefer to do my mascara first, so I do find sometimes I'll get a little bit of the magnetic liner into my lashes, so I'm just going to use that spoolie just to take it off any that's on my natural lash. And I'm just going to tidy up this section just here with the brush. So now we need to wait for it to dry, and that's very important. You don't want to do it when it's still wet, so we're just going to wait. In fact, this is quite handy, isn't it? You can just use this to dry. So if you want to test whether it's dry or not, you can just gently pop your finger onto the liner, and if any liner comes off on your finger, it's too wet. I'm going to see now if our liner is dry enough. So I'm just gonna, yeah, that's dry on that side. I'm gonna show you now the Rose Quartz. So this is the one that we're gonna put on to start with. Now you can see here where the magnets actually are on the product. So that is the magnets on the lashes. And I'm just gonna use my fingers to apply because I find it easier anything else. See how that's gripped on? Then I'm going to use my little handy applicator tool just to do the inner corner, and it's just gripped on. I mean, that is so easy. And that is the first lash style. So that is super nice. It's really natural. I mean, you probably wouldn't even know too much that I was wearing them. Now, interestingly, I used to wear eyelash extensions and I'm allergic to the lash glue. And also the toxins from the lash glue was just, it gave me a headache whenever I had them put on. And what I like about this is there are no toxins. It's toxic free. Now we don't want to stop there though. We want to have a look at the other lash styles. So let's take this off, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to take off as well. So if I just grab the outer corner and just gently pull off, and then inside the packaging you've actually got a magnetic band, so it will just easily clip back onto the band like so. Let's go next with Jade. So this is what Jade looks like. So that's Jade. Again, you've got your magnets here. Let's pop that into the middle. Again, it's just snapped on super easy. And we'll just use the applicated bit just to get that bit put in. It literally just snaps in place. Nice and natural. Fuss-free, super easy to put on. I mean, I can't stress enough how easy these are to apply. It's ridiculous. I am so used to putting lashes on other people and I'm terrible at applying it on myself. And these, fuss-free, mess-free, no glue, just Easy. What more does a girl want? So I'm gonna change up my style again. So we're just gonna take off this set, like so. And again, off. They're brilliant. I was always really dubious about magnetic lashes, and I'm so glad that I stumbled across Lola's Lashes. So this is a slightly more dramatic style now. This one is the Sapphire. So again, just super easy to clip it on. Done. Just drops on, and that's Sapphire. It's so comfortable, like, and they're not going anywhere. Nowhere. See? Honestly, they're brilliant. They are absolutely brilliant. I don't want to take them off though. I really don't want to take them off. Look at that.